Good afternoon and welcome to number 10 Dole Place in West Newbury, Massachusetts. It's set on a quiet side street with beautiful mature plantings. There's a well, you can tell by the green grass. Come on in and I'll show you around. The home features a beautiful living room with gorgeous bay windows. All the windows are Anderson, and wood-burning fireplace. There are 2 brick fireplaces in the home. The home also features gleaming hardwood floors, French doors. Come check out the kitchen. At the back of the home we have the open concept dining room kitchen with some beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and again, big windows facing a private backyard. Off of the kitchen, there's another cozy family room featuring the second fireplace, huge French doors going out to a screen porch, and then a hardscaped patio with a fire pit. There's also the family entrance here, which is a laundry room and the garage. There are 3 bedrooms in this home, 2 master suites, one on the first floor and one on the second floor. The first floor master features 3 closets and a 3/4 bath. The second floor master is huge. It features a walk-in closet plus another closet and a full bath. More than half of the second floor is taken up by this huge attic space. The property has a 4-bedroom septic system that is past Title V, so if you wanted to turn some of this space into a 4th bedroom, you could easily do that. All of this set on an acre, very wonderfully, maturely landscaped. A 2-car garage. You're about a 1/4 mile from the Merrimack River and a 1/2 mile from the brand new Pentucket High School.